There's the surprise. How many letters for this phonogram? 2. Very good. This is the way we write it with a pencil. This is the way we see it in a book. It's the fancy way. It's a 2-letter phonogram. Listen to the sound. Can you say that with me? Very good. They sit comfortably close together, and when we do 2-letter phonograms, which we also call multiple letter phonograms, because sometimes there are more than 2 letters in a phonogram, which you already know, don't you? So this is our first 2-letter phonogram, our first multiple letter phonogram. When we write this, we have to count over more spaces, so it has a space before it and a space after, unless it begins at the left margin line. And then it may sit right next to the left margin line like this. We go halfway below and make the flag. Then we start comfortably close, stop at 8, round from 8 to 4, stop, go straight up and straight down. And I'll do it again up here so you see 2 spaces. So that's the way it would sit next to the left margin line. Now, we're going to put it with the other phonograms, so we need to count over, because this is a clock space and it's coming back this way, we need to count over 2 clock spaces, so there will be 1 empty space right here. 1 empty clock space, right? Not 2 clock spaces, 1. So count over with me. 1, 2. Now we're going to write it. Read it again. 2 on the clock, up around to 10, to the 8, to the baseline, to the 4, to the 2, stop, go straight down, drop halfway below, give it a flag. There's a dash, that's going up, but it stopped at halfway below, and then we go up. Then we start comfortably close. This is our first line phonogram. When we do a line phonogram, we don't need to move over. We make a starting dot so we can see if we're comfortably close to what we just wrote. Is it comfortably close, does it look like to you? Then we go down to the 8 and stop. We don't start rounding until we get right there to that 8 on the clock. And so down, without lifting your pencil, round from 8 to 4, stop, go straight up and straight down to the baseline. We say it again.